Today over here at Z Grills, it is all about the rabbit. We are going to smoke us up a nice rabbit. We are going to pair it out with a little bit of broccoli, some potato, and a nice sweet raspberry glaze. So look, what I want to do here is I want to turn the clock back 24 hours. We did do up a nice simple dry brine. After that, I'll bring you guys back and we will get this on the pit. As always, Z Grills will have this recipe blogged out. You could find that link right in the description. And basically what we got going on here, this is going to be your basic dry brine. We will get this on anywhere from 12 to 24 hours. I believe I did do the full 24. And when you get this brine on, you want to make sure you get every crevice, every cranny. Pull the arms back, get under there. Pull the legs back, get under there. Flip it over and get inside the crevice. And if you think a dry brine will make the rabbit meat over salty, think again. It definitely brings out the juices and puts a beautiful flavor on any types of the meats. So look, I'm going to get this in a little Tupperware right there. I will get it covered. I will get it in the fridge, and we will see you soon. Alrighty, guys, and here we are. This is about 24 hours later. And look, I definitely do favor the dry brine. You could do a wet brine if that is your favorite. So basically what we are going to do here is we are just going to kind of spread it out. You can see she is definitely nice and clean. We did get some brine inside, as you saw. So look, just for even movability inside the pit, I do like anytime I am doing a game like this or maybe a spatchcock chicken, I do like to lay it out on a tray. That way, if she is overcooking in one spot, it is easily where you can just kind of turn it and maneuver instead of picking the whole bird up. So look, one rule of thumb with a dry brine, you definitely do not want to rinse it after the brine. You want to keep that salt flavor on there. What I am going to do though is I am going to hit it with a little bit of pepper. And if you do decide to hit it with any sort of rub, you definitely don't want any more salt on the rabbit. Tell you, it's been quite some time since I smoked me up a rabbit, but I got to tell you, man, if this is something you want to try, you could definitely hunt that down online, pick one up, and it's definitely well worth the effort. And as you hear behind me, I do have the pit all fired up. We are going to do this out on the Z Grills 1100 2B. I'm going to go with a cherry pellet. Any one of the fruit pellets would be fine. And one thing I like to do here is just kind of open it up and spread it out a little bit. That way you're going to get, you want to get nice even cooking across the body, across the rabbit. And also we will monitor the inside temperature on the pit. You want to go anywhere between 250 and 275. And also you do not want the meat over 165. Those are the only things you got to watch. So look, as my pit comes up to temp, we will get this all set. We will get it on the pit. And it is going to take probably about an hour and a half smoke. At that time, I will bring you guys back. So look, that is all there is to that. Again, we are looking under 2 hours. At that time, I will bring you guys back. Just like that, we are done, and we are clocking in at about an hour and a half on this smoke, and she is a perfect 165. I want to go in, I want to get it off. I took a peek, man, it has a gorgeous color. I want to show you how I am going to lay it out, how I am going to serve it. Let's go in and let's check it out, and let's get it on the board. So as you could see, and I can tell you, the Z definitely laid down the smoke on this for about an hour and a half. We will get our probes out, we will get it on the board, and then we will dress it up just the way I would dress it up on my table. Yeah. So I'm gonna lay this out on a platter. I will dress it up with some of my veggies and potatoes. I'll also get a little bit of that raspberry glaze on it. Then I will hit it with some parsley flakes just to put a little bit of color in it. Oh, yeah. And I can tell you, man, the smell is pretty cool, but she is quite the spectacle. I mean, it just looks right on that platter. And of course, anytime you are serving up something like this, a little bit of glass of white wine would be perfect. Yeah. Yeah. So you could serve this out with any of the white wines will do. First off, cheers. And I'm not sure if the camera can pick up the meat over here, but it is nice and juicy. I mean, look at the juice. Oh, yeah. Cheers. Wow, that's amazing. So guys, right off the bat, what could one say but the salt brine does it again. I mean, this is as juicy can be. And I gotta say, I love that raspberry glaze that I made with this. It pairs so well because you got you've got a little bit of the saltiness from the brine, and you got the tartness now and the sweetness of that raspberry glaze. It goes perfect together. And also that pepper right on top is right there. I'm gonna go in for one more taste. Very delicate, man. There is no gaminess of this at all. So look, in closing out on this show, don't forget to check Z Grill's Facebook account, also the YouTube channel and the Instagram. This recipe here will be blogged out. Follow those accounts and they will keep you grilling. They will keep you smoking all winter and summer long. Again, my name is Tommy. I mean, this is something you definitely want to try. This is something you definitely want to make. I will see you here next month with another recipe. And until next time, we will see you soon.